Hey, our food!
There is sand on my sandwich.
Relax, I was just having fun. Those are our chips. Then catch me first. That is my dry towel. Now it is a beach towel.
Please shake it away from me.
Wake up, it is beach time. My book is wet. Then read a waterproof book.
That is my bucket.
I need it now.
Please give it back.
You broke my tower.
It was in my way.
Where is my shovel?
Maybe the sand ate it.
Please return his shovel.
Fine, take it.
Please be careful.
It is just a beach ball.
We are using that.
Now I am the beach queen. That is my juice. I only checked the flavor. Do not drink it.
Sauce is on our blanket.
Your blanket was too close.
Please do not throw napkins. Please let the children order.
Wait, this cart looks cute with me.
I wanted that one.
You were too slow. That is my chair. Now it has dessert. Please spray away from the food. It is just sunscreen. Please ask before using that. I thought it was public.
Please do not touch my things.
I improved your style. You made my towel wet. It is the beach. Things get wet.
Please let the children rinse their feet.
I am still fixing my hair.
You splashed our towels.
Then keep them away from water.
Those are mine.
They look better with me.
My pages are wet.
Then read away from the water.
Please pass the ball back.
Wait, it looks cute with me.
Please put your trash in the bin.
That is your job. Please pick it up and put it inside. I almost made it.
Please move. We are taking a family photo.
I made it more fun. That was our birthday cake.
My cake is ruined.
Why put it near my photo spot? This beach looks beautiful.
Can you help me?
Of course, let's put them back together. Thank you for making space. Of course, please go ahead. You picked a good space. I want everyone to have room.
Thank you for keeping the beach clean.
You're welcome.
I can't decide yet.
Take your time. You go first. Thank you for waiting kindly. I'm happy to wait. Are you feeling okay?
You are very kind.
Thank you. You're welcome. Please stay in the shade. Thank you for letting us use the shade. Please go ahead. It looks hot for the baby.
I was looking for that.
I found it near your chair.
That's my toy.
I found it right here.
That's helpful. Thank you.
I can help for a minute.
I'm still choosing.
Take your time.
Thank you for cleaning that.
It's okay. I had a napkin. This shade helps a lot. Please take the seat.
I didn't notice the water.
That's okay. Let's stay where it is safe. This child was too close to the water.
Thank you. I will help.
Thank you for helping my child. I'm glad they are safe. Let's play over there, away from the food.
Okay, that is safer.
Soft throws only.
I got it! How do we make it strong?
Press the sand gently, then lift the bucket slowly. Please keep the sand on the ground.
Okay, I won't throw it. Can I use this next?
Yes, let's take turns. Let's leave the beach clean.
We can help. My hands are sandy.
Let's rinse them carefully.
That ball is ours.
Here you go. Good manners help everyone enjoy the beach.
We will remember.